New this hour, the Georgia Association of Educators speaking out about the Georgia schools and what lawmakers need to focus on to help students and teachers thrive in the Peach State. This year, the state lawmakers approved a $32 billion budget. 53 of that was allocated towards education. Atlanta Bureau Chief Archith Seshadri has more.
The Georgia Association of Educators say a burnout report says teachers need smaller classrooms, less standardized tests to help students succeed. The group is reviewing some of the key wins from this legislative session. Some teachers say tax dollars should help fund public schools, not private schools, and say they're glad Senate Bill 233 did not make it through.
The defeat of Senate Bill 233, the universal voucher bill, was very important for public education to keep our public funds in our public schools for our students. It was a universal voucher bill that would give originally it would have given any student, and then it was students in the bottom 25% of CCRPI scores, $6,500 for private school or homeschool.
Another bill that did not get the green light was adding an extra bus monitor on school buses for safety, but teachers do say that school safety is a priority, especially with recent shootings.
There are school security grants for districts to implement new security and safety measures in our school, and those are needed. However, we need to look at school security in a holistic manner. The issues in our communities with violence are leaking into our schools because our schools cannot exist apart from the community.
Teachers say one area of focus lawmakers should prioritize is to help students in low-income areas.
We obviously should prioritize including a poverty weight for our children that live in poverty. We are one of only 6 states that do not include additional funding for students living in poverty. Also, the state only funds between 15 and 20% of the cost of school transportation. And so we should look at increasing that as well.
Reporting in Atlanta, Archith Seshadri, Atlanta Bureau Chief.